The market moves higher as we await the results of the elections. Will they be a catalyst? This is Invest with Jacob. Okay guys, so the market followed our plan pretty well yesterday, pushing up toward our 3 of 3 target before pulling back in wave 4 and then starting to push higher again. We would expect it to follow through up toward our 5 of 3 target. However, if it fails, we do have to be cautious of a C wave lower toward the 3640 area. I'll get into all that in just one second, but first, if you're new here, welcome to the show guys. My name is Jacob Gabbard and this is Invest with Jacob, where we use Elliott Wave Theory to break down the SP 500 and the NASDAQ. I highly encourage you to hit that subscribe button down below so that you can get our daily S&P updates, our trade setups, and our buy alerts. Alright guys, with the elections tonight in the United States, there will likely be a little bit of volatility later in the evening, so we'll look out for that. For now, let's jump into the chart and take a look. Okay guys, so here we are on the 1-hour SPX chart, and remember this is the SPX, not the futures. Typically I have the futures chart up, but today and yesterday I've been tracking the SPX because it has a much cleaner structure. So we pushed up to our 3 of 3 area, pulled back perfectly into the pivot here, the 764 to 618, and then started to push again higher. From here, we would expect them to continue up, okay, toward the 3690 area, pull back in bigger wave 4 towards 3850, and then back up over the 3900 area to complete wave 1 of C. If they can do that, then we would look for a pullback in 2 and then another run up from there, completing the C wave up toward the 4200 area. However, if they're unable to push higher and break out above this wave 3 high, then it is possible that off the high we have this ABC setup where we'd get the C wave down towards 3640, okay, and from there we would look for this structure to bounce and start that run towards 4200 that we've been looking for. So two basic paths that we're following. We should see a push higher if we're going to continue in this bullish pattern that we've been looking at up towards that 3890 area, then a pull back to 3850 with a push back up over the 3900 area to complete that bullish pattern of wave C. And then we would look for the completion of that pattern to occur up around the 4200 area before we saw a nasty sell-off down toward the 2900 to 2500 area. However, again, if they can't break out, we're looking for that ABC lower I have highlighted on the chart here. Over on the NASDAQ, okay, yesterday we talked about a potential leading diagonal on the NASDAQ, and so far it looks like that could be playing out. You could have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that we highlighted yesterday that it followed to a T, and now it looks like it could be pulling back in wave 2. If this is going to be a wave 2 down, okay, it needs to hold the 10,864 to 10,777 support area or anywhere above that, and then take off and take out this wave 5 high here up to the high side to continue this pattern up toward the 13,000 area to test the August highs. However, if they cannot hold this support down here at 10,777, then it can become likely that we see a new low here that attacks this wave 5 down here around the 10,000 to 10,200 area. That pattern is an ABC off the high for wave 5, and remember I talked about this yesterday. Diagonals play out as ABCs, and this would be an ABC structure down into wave 5. So this is a diagonal coming off the top that we've been tracking, which means this would be a wave 4 up, then you get ABC down into that 10,000, 10,200 area. Guys, if you love the information I put out in these videos and you want real-time market updates from me, you need to check out investwithjacob.com. There's a link down in the description. Go ahead and click that link and it will take you right over to the website. Once you're there, check out our membership plans area. We have 2 incredible plans and they both come with a 7-day free trial. The first one, my Invest with Jacob plan, comes with all of my real-time market updates, all of my buy and sell alerts, as well as all of your Elliott Wave questions answered. We trade the SPY and the QQQ and we swing trade, which means all of our trades can last for anywhere from a few days to a few months, so we don't trade quite as often as a day trading room does. However, if you are looking for day trading as well as individual stocks, you need to check out PT's Throne Room. In there, you get individual stocks, day trading, and PT's reduced risk binary method that absolutely crushes the market. It's something you kind of have to see to understand, and it's another reason we give you that 7-day free trial. He also started a challenge account where he put $4,000 into a small account and trades it using mini ES futures, averaging 3 to 4% gains per week, showing you how to build a small account into a large retirement or savings account. Guys, we'd love to have you in these rooms so we can make some money together. All right, key takeaways for today, guys. We're looking for this pattern to play out on the ES, where we get the wave 5 up, then the wave 5 of 3 up, then the wave 4, and then wave 5. Otherwise, we do threaten to have that ABC down towards 3640. Over on the NASDAQ, it looks like they have completed a potential leading diagonal up, but they do need to hold support above 10,777, or we likely see a new low towards the 10,000 to 10,200 area. That is the market update for today. I will talk to you tomorrow.